Welcome to our tutorial on locating archived groups on Telegram using your PC. Follow these steps to easily find your archived groups. Step 1. Begin by opening Telegram on your PC. Launch the Telegram application or access it through your web browser. Step 2. Click on Archived Chats within the Telegram interface. This option is typically located on the left side of the screen. Step 3. In the Archived Chats section, locate the specific group you wish to access. Archived groups are stored here for easy retrieval. Step 4. Once you've identified the group you want, click on it to open and view its content. You can browse through past messages, media, and interactions within the archived group. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate to your archived groups on Telegram using your PC.